channel. Today we are about to build some lenses for the license plate lights on the BMW e60, because I want to build a rear view camera mount on the light itself, as you saw on the picture there. So I'm going to be using my 3D printer and some transparent or clear filament to do so. After drawing and measuring everything and drawing everything and slicing in the slicer the program to slice to get the G-code file ready for the printer, we put some glue on the bed of the printer just to make sure that the piece, which is very thin, it doesn't warp or lift from the bed. So after that, we just get the printer ready, get it up to temperature, and just enjoy the process. At this point I'm printing the full one, which means that it's the one on the left side, and after that I'll be printing the other one that has a hole that we can fit a universal rear view camera through it. So I wanted to make as sucked in as possible with the best angle to see everything, but without having the camera showing in the back. This is a process that it gives me a lot of satisfaction to see the layers building up, and you have to babysit this. Well, you don't have to babysit this, but this is something that gives me so much pleasure that I really enjoy it, and so I babysit this to make sure everything is done correctly. After the part is printed, time to check for flaws and clean the part, because there's no point on having a 3D printed part if you don't finish it with a really nice finish. So at this point I have to test if the clarity, because I bought a few aftermarket LED license plate lights, but they are too bright, and I don't like how it looks in the back of the car at night. So I decided to make these a bit more not as clear, so it dims the light a little bit. So we have to wait and see how it will look in the car. As you can see, it dims the light quite a bit, which I'm pretty sure that will be just right amount to illuminate the license plate without giving too much light. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit that like button. So please stay safe, guys. See you next video.